My system for doubling and tripling my appointments. This was my problem when I started in the business on how to get more weekly appointments to make more money. When I first started working on selling insurance, my problem was I brand new insurance, and I had just graduated from college and moved to a new city. I struggled to get one appointment a day. Then I met a top agent in our agency who was always #1 in the agency, and many times he was tops in the monthly agent list. He was getting to retire from the business. I ran into him at a restaurant and sat down together for breakfast. I asked him how he sold so much final expense. He told me he had a system of using personalized pink postcards and had a software that collected niche widows with income over $25,000 and was in any neighborhood in the country. He had his daughter mail out 50 to 75 postcards per week to widows. They were very close together, like 1st Street, 2nd Street, and 3rd Street. He had an experienced telemarketer who was retired and needed extra money to supplement his income. She would book 2 to 3 appointments a day. Then, when he was in the field, he would call on other widows who received the postcard. He would call on them and deliver a free gift, which was a memorial guide. I was able to buy his system and software. My best month in a Hawaii contest, I sold 55 applications in October. Averaged 15 to 17 interviews to supplement the few leads I got from the insurance company. I built up 1.2 million in renewals. Plus, I was able to recruit agents to build an agency that I trained. To learn more, go to www.finalexpensemillionaire.com.